Good afternoon. I'm Eric Murphy, CSO of Agragen. Agragen's a Cincinnati-based plant sciences company, and we use our technology to transform Camelina to make bioactive fatty acids. Our goal is to take Camelina and make it make EPA and DHA, or a sustainable terrestrial source of what you could refer to as fish oil. Why fish oil? Well, it's pretty simple. 80% of fish oil is utilized in aquaculture. The aquaculture space is expanding. As it expands, there's insufficient fish oil to meet that market demand. Why Camelina? Camelina is the perfect plant for making fish oil. Why? Well, in part because it's self-pollinating. That means it doesn't outcross to other plants. That's really critically important. Why not algal sources? Well, Camelina is storable and it's scalable. You can plant more. Why not canola? Camelina is cheaper to grow, and ultimately, it has a lower carbon footprint. We're looking for a partner to help take our goal and make it a reality. We have the science, we have the FTO, we need the capital. Help us help feed the world. Thank you.